I was given this party pack decor so I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. I was so impressed with just how many pieces come inside this kit, from these really cool balloons to banners, plates in 2 sizes, dinner and dessert, the nice thick quality, and balloons that come in great assorted colors. It even comes with glue tape and a really easy way to be able to have them assembled into a beautiful arch. It comes with themed napkins and cups and straws, these absolutely adorable double-sided dinos that you can put in so many places, as well as your forks, other decor, 2 table covers. But I think these boxes might be my absolute favorite part. It also comes with all of these really cool swirlies that are really simple to be able to hang, and no party is complete without a really great birthday sign. This one is sparkly and super simple to be able to assemble quickly, and just adds that extra element of bringing in that whole Threerex theme. My little one thought this was so cute and absolutely loved helping set up for this 3rd birthday party and playing with so many different pieces of decor. These boxes were so easy to be able to assemble, literally just probably 30 to 45 seconds per box, and it was done. And they really take up a lot of space, and that wow factor to really pull in that whole theme. I think that there are about 258 pieces that you get inside of this kit, so I was blown away. It serves over 20 people, and it was so cute to be able to have. We definitely recommend it.